Hello my beautiful gorgeous babes out there, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in today. But in today's video I am going to be unboxing my September BoxyLuxe and Boxy Premium box. So if you're interested in seeing that and hearing more about Boxycharm, then keep on watching. Alright my babes, I hope you guys are doing well. I can't believe September is like literally almost over. It's almost like winter holiday season. I can't believe this year has just been insane. It's just a strange year. It sucks. I'm ready for it to be over, and I know most of you can agree to that. Anyways, before we jump into this video, if you're new here and you like fashion, makeup, beauty, and all that fun stuff, then hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, put it up there, just so you are notified every time I post a video, because YouTube plays games. That's what they do. Sometimes they don't let you know what's up. Anyways, okay, so I'm going to jump in and dive in to Boxycharm Premium first. This is what it looks like inside. If you don't know about Boxycharm, it is a monthly beauty subscription. They have 3 different tiers. They have Base Box, which is monthly, $25 a month. They have Boxycharm Premium, which is also monthly, and that is $35 a month. You're supposed to get a higher value, more premium products. And then they have BoxyLuxe, which is quarterly. It's attached to your base box, so every quarter your box will be upgraded to BoxyLuxe, and that will be $49.99 that month. If that all confuses you and stuff, I will have a link below. It is a referral link, but you can get more information about these subscriptions there if you want to get more details and have it kind of spelled out for you. You do get to do like customizations, add-ons, sales. There's a lot of stuff that and perks with Boxycharm, and I think they're one of the better beauty subscriptions out there. But for Premium, which is this is the $35 box, you get to customize one item, and this is the item that I customized and chose. They give you like a bunch of options and you can pick one from there, and this is what I got. Ooh, I'm so excited. I love Ole Henriksen. I think they are an amazing skincare brand. I've loved everything I've ever tried from them. This retails for $50. So this covers the cost of the box and then some. I just love beauty subscriptions because they give you a chance to try a bunch of different brands and get a lot of value out of spending only a little bit of money. You know what I'm saying? But this is a face mask. So it's supposed to give flawless skin in a flash with PHAs. It is meant to help with fine lines, dark spots, help exfoliate the skin from what I'm seeing here. And also says it hydrates and reveals a smoother, instantly luminous skin. I'm excited. So this is what it looks like inside. And then it has a pump on the top. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. And then the next item I got here was the Eloise Beauty, the Queen eyeshadow palette. Now Boxycharm loves giving eyeshadow palettes in most of their boxes, so if you like eyeshadows and palettes and all that good stuff, then you will love Boxycharm. This has 20 pigment palette in 4 stunning textures. Buttery matte, shimmers, pressed pros, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. So there's variety in this. This is what it looks like in the inner packaging. I love the royalty queen vibes. I love that they show the girl right here with different skin tones. I love that. All inclusivity. I love a brand that supports that. And this is a queen lies in all of us, which is so true. Queen bee over here, okay? And then this is what it looks like. It's super freaking colorful. There's a big old mirror. I love this. This looks really pretty. I'm gonna swatch some of the shades. So here are some of the shades in there. Looks really pretty. This one in the middle is like a satin. Maybe I should swatch one of the mattes too. The mattes, there's the matte. It seems kind of sheer. Like this seems like a formula that you would have to build up the mattes. But I don't know. I haven't swatched them all. I haven't tried it on my eyes. But it looks super pretty, and I love colorful eye looks. I mean, today I'm a neutral Nelly because I was lazy, but I love colorful eyeshadow, so we'll have to give that a try. So the next thing I got was the Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. I love facial oils. I use them every morning, not every morning, but every night. I mix it in with my moisturizer. I don't use them during the day because I have oily skin and I don't want to like make my makeup break up even faster. But this is what it looks like, okay? So it's nice little glass bottle. Let's see if it has a smell. It has a really light, clean scent to it. Nothing overpowering. It's supposed to be a multi-active, lightweight, dry, nourishing facial oil complex. Awesome. It does have scented fragrances in them, so if you don't like scented products, you might not like something like this. And did I tell you guys what it retails for? I think I did, but I don't remember. This retails for $55, so it's a pricey facial oil. I'll definitely have to give this a try and mix this in with my skincare when I finish my other facial oil I have right now. Then right here, this is another, let's see, like skincare product. This is an ice roller for your overworked, sensitive skin. Okay, cool. It says it has surgical stainless steel roller on it. This is what the roller looks like, and it's like nice. It's a lot of weight to it, so I'm assuming it says ice roller. This is something you put in the freezer or the fridge, and you just roll it on your skin like that. It feels so nice and cool. I'm definitely gonna have to give that a try. I know those like jade rollers and stuff are really popular, but I'm feeling this a lot more than one of those. And then there was here, this is from a Frank Body. This is a coconut coffee scrub. This retails for $18.95. That sounds amazing, like coconut and coffee, my dreams right here. Says it will buff away dry skin. Coconut oil helps with breakouts, antibacterial, grapeseed oil. It says glowing vacation skin inside this bag. I'm all for vacation and tropical vibes. I bet this smells good too. And I've been getting more into body scrubs lately, so I'm excited to have this. There's a pretty good amount too in here. Then we got the Marc Jacobs Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer. This retails for $29. Also another brand I haven't tried, Marc Jacobs, is a brand that's never really appealed to me because they're more on the neutral side and they're on the pricey side. I mean, lip gloss, $29 to me is a lot. But this is what it looks like. The packaging is pretty and it's a really pretty color. It's definitely something that I would wear. It's like a pinky shade, but this looks pretty. And it's super pigmented and very high shine. And it has like a minty scent to it, so I'm excited. I've been more into lip glosses lately and like sheer lip balms and like just glowy lip products more than like liquid lipsticks and stuff. But yes, I'm gonna put in the corner the total value of this box. I think it was pretty good. I've been liking my premium boxes. I haven't been loving them. This is much better than some of the other premium boxes I've gotten, but I did end up canceling my premium membership because I felt like I wasn't getting anything more than what I could get from base box. That's just my opinion, but you'll have to check it out for yourself. See past boxes, maybe premium will be more for you. Anyways, we're going on to BoxyLuxe. This is my favorite subscription. It comes quarterly. It's an upgrade from your base box. I honestly wish this could be a separate subscription for people who might just want a quarterly subscription, who wants to just get one big box every quarter. And this one has a mix of stuff. They'll have lifestyle items in here, beauty, skincare. You can get like an array of stuff in BoxyLuxe, and to me it is their best box. I love it. This one retails for $49.99 a month, and you get to upgrade, not upgrade, but customize 2 items in the box. This one, let's see. So the items that I customize is the Tan Luxe Gradual Illuminating Tanning Lotion. So this is what it looks like. Tan Luxe is a like more pricier tanning product line, and I've been wanting to try Tan Luxe, and I'm a low maintenance kind of girl, so I'm not really into self tanners. I'm more into like lotions that give you like a gradual glow or like gradually give you a nice like tan. I don't like the maintenance that you have to do in the work for self tanners, and I like something you could just throw on like a regular moisturizer, and then over time you got a nice little tan and a little glow. Let's see, it's a unique oil lotion hybrid to smooth and condition the skin while delivering a super natural glow. Color develops in 1 to 2 hours, leaving the ultimate undetectable tan. And no streaks. No smells, no drama, vegan friendly, and cruelty free. I love that. Low maintenance, just slap it on, and then in a couple hours you're gonna look glowy. But that does retail for $33. The other item that I customized in my box is the Pharmacy Cheer Up brightening and vitamin C eye cream. I've been wanting to try this so long, so when I saw it was an option to customize in your box, I snagged it real quick. This retails for $45, and this says it's super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles, I can't even read, delivers instant radiance to the eye area, clean, fragrance-free formula. Aw, I was hoping it was gonna smell like cherries. I mean, I know having skin, like fragrance and skincare is not very good for your skin, but I just really want it to smell cherries. But it's okay, it's good, it's better for me that way. But this is what the container looks like. Oh, look at that little cute little fruit on here. I love fruit packaging. And then this is what it looks like inside. It's like a pink cream. And yeah, no cherry scent. It's okay though. I'm excited to give that a try. I love eye creams and I love getting skincare in subscription boxes. That is like one item or product that I hate spending money on, but I like to get premium stuff. So if I can get like pay one price and get a bunch of premium things, why not, right? That is my way of saving on skincare. Then the other items are what they picked for me. Right here is the Cuccio Somatology Calm and Clean Lavender Body and Hand Wash. Okay, so it is a body wash. This retails for $39.95. Dang, that's an expensive body wash for just 8 ounces of product. But this says it has Epsom salt and lavender oil, so I'm assuming it's lavender scented. Alright, so the next thing right here is it's a hair mask. This is from Cara Therapy. It's their intense, nourishing, and hydrating treatment that revives hair that has been dried or damaged by environmental or styling stresses. Has jojoba, walnut, chestnut oils, penetrates deeply into the hair. Ooh, I'm excited for this. This is a big bottle too. Look at that. And this has 8 ounces of products. The scent is strong. This is what's been making this box smell like so good. This retails for 24 bucks, by the way. Then we got this here. What is this? This is from One Skin. This is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. It's a 5-pack. And this is what? $135? What the hell? Why would a face mask be that expensive? This better create freaking miracles on my face and make me look 21 years old. Like, come on. That is expensive. It says it is a pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowy complexion. This better have like freaking unicorn magic in it or something like that. But look at this. All right, going on. Another eyeshadow palette. But this is the palette. This is from Hit Dot. This is called their Scion eyeshadow palette. It retails for $33. This is contouring the majestic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons. Take your look to the next level with dramatic reds, deep oranges, and rich purples of Zion. It's cruelty-free, vegan. Ooh, it's talc-free. That's awesome. Paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil-free. Ooh, this is pretty. This is so like sunset vibes, but it also would be perfect for the fall. Like these are definitely good shades for like fall looks. This looks nice. It has a big old mirror in it. Let's swatch some of the shades. So here are some of the shades in there. The mattes are definitely pigmented as hell in here. Definitely more pigmentation than the Eloise palette I showed you. I think the metallics are prettier in that palette than this one and the Eloise one, but the mattes, they have good pigmentation to that. I'm excited. I'm excited for both of these palettes to give them a try. I need to cool off. Anyways, okay. Then we got this here. This is the Persona Cosmetics Power Brush. Retails for $24. It's a dual-ended brush. Let's see. I like little pink, like millennial pink vibes we got going on, but this is what it looks like. It has 2 ends to it. This says it's supposed to be your multitasking dual-ended best friend. Synthetic vegan brush allows you to highlight with one end and simply seamlessly apply your blush with the opposite end. Okay, I could see that. This is definitely very soft. It's a very soft brush. I like this. This is cool. And then I think we're almost done here. Okay, we have one last item in the box, and this is from Fenty, your girl. And this is $36 for it. And I got the shade Moon Metal Moon. And this is one of her Kilowatt Freestyle highlighters. I love Fenty. I love them so much. They cannot go wrong on my eyes. Everything I've had from Fenty I've loved. Let's see what it looks like. This is their highlighters, like classic packaging from Fenty. If you haven't seen, I don't know where you've been. And then this is the shade I got, which is super light. It's super white. I'm afraid that this would probably give me a white cast on my skin because, I mean, definitely right now I have a little bit more color to me, but we'll have to see. Let's swatch it. But this is what the shade looks like. It's definitely really light. It does have like a little goldy shift to it, but it definitely is super light. Maybe this would work better for me in the wintertime when I'm a little bit more fair. But I think that was it, right? That was the last thing. That was everything. I'm gonna give a total here on how much this box retailed for. It's definitely, I know it's a lot. I mean, that face mask put it over $100 already. But let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think. Did you like the stuff I got? Did you like the stuff you got if you have Boxycharm? Or are you thinking about trying a Boxycharm? I love hearing from all of y'all. If you enjoy unboxing videos, give me a thumbs up so I know you like this video. Also, like I said, if you're new here, you like fashion, makeup, beauty, and all that good stuff, then hit that subscribe button and join this little family we've had going on. Also, check out the description. I have Boxycharm linked. It is a referral link, but hey, check it out. See what's up. Maybe you might like it. And let me know if you end up signing up, if you do end up picking up Boxycharm and giving it a try. And I think that is it. I will also have my Instagram handle. It's going to pop up here for you guys, also in the description. So if you want to join me on Instagram as well, I would love that. I'd appreciate it. I'd love to see you over there as well. But anyways, that was it. Until next time, bye.